Let's go get some turtles. We're going on an epic adventure on Daymaniat Islands in Oman. Oh my god, this is wow. I made a separate video for Muscat, so click on the link above, check that out before you start with this video. Good morning. I am in Al Mouj area and I'm heading to Daymaniat Islands. So these are a group of 9 islands in the ocean, in the Indian Ocean, off the coast of Oman, and it takes about an hour to get there from Muscat, and it's a great spot to do snorkeling, diving, etc. Or if you want, you can even do overnight camping there, which is great, but I think I'm not gonna do that because I'm not big into camping and I've done enough that in desert. If you come here in summer, there's a really good chance you will see a lot of whale sharks, but it's January now, so I'm just happy with, you know, seeing whatever I can see. And yeah, let's go check it out. It is a beautiful day in January, the perfect day for this adventure. The water is really calm and we get to see some beautiful islands on the way as well. Let's go get some turtles. The visibility is a little poor, but it gets better throughout the day, and there are a few surprises waiting here, which is incredible. It was a beautiful day, and the first snorkel gave a rough idea of how precious this place is. So we got to Daymaniat Islands, that's the correct name, Daymaniat, not Daymaniat, sorry. So we got here and instantly saw some turtles on the way, and then saw 2 having, you know, a little bit of morning nookie. And then I got in the water, so there's a bit of algae, which is not the best for visibility, but still it's great. So I got in the water and saw 2 turtles straight away and lots of life. Sadly, a lot of the coral has died, but that's the reality we live in. So don't forget to bring some reef-friendly sunscreen because you don't want more of the coral to die. Okay? So we're gonna, I think, go to the island next, and then after that we do one more snorkel. Hope to see some more turtles. Welcome to my private boat. If you're coming to Daymaniat Islands, most of the boats leave from Al Mouj, and if you're looking for a company, I would recommend Daymaniyat Shells. Trust me, they haven't paid me anything. I've paid for this tour, but they've been really good, really knowledgeable, and the captain was really great and helpful. He spotted so many turtles on the way when we weren't even looking, so he's a really great guy. So yeah, if you're looking for a snorkeling company, Daymaniyat Shells. look at all these turtles. It's almost like they're having a party here. I've never seen so many of them together. Oman is full of surprises, and I'm sure you want to see more than just this video, so I created a full playlist. Click on the link above and check it out. We spent about an hour at the first stop, and it was really nice to snorkel there, and now this is our second time, and we are a little tired but still quite a lot of fun. And we spent about 45 minutes at the second stop. If you come at the right time in summer, you can have up to 100 whale sharks here. No promises, but the footage speaks for itself. That's enough time in the water. Let's go check out some beaches on these beautiful islands now. That second snorkel was absolutely stunning as well. There are so many beautiful fish here. It's incredible, like it's just mind-blowing. I got to see trumpet fish that I've never seen before, and they look absolutely stunning. But it's also really sad to see all the bleaching and dead coral. So at the risk of sounding preachy, I'm gonna just say this. If you feel like you can help or want to help, and you don't know how, I would recommend by stop eating seafood and fish, and you will be doing them a massive favor. And I would also recommend that if you've never snorkeled or dived, do it once, because once you see these beautiful creatures in their environment, you'd never want to see them dead on your plate, I promise you. Let's go see a little bit of Daymaniyat now. The islands are gorgeous. I mean, just look behind me. Oh my god, this is wow, unbelievable, seriously. Look at the turtle tracks. They come here to lay their eggs. Wow, how cool is that? Let's go check out some beautiful beaches. There are so many cute little ones, little pockets, and it is great because we are the only people here. So guys, this is Captain Fahad, and he's been taking us around all day, and he has the best eyesight I've ever seen on anyone in the sea. He can spot a turtle from like really far away. Can't give you measurements though. But he's the best captain, so if you come here, do ask for him. I was thoroughly impressed by how great the guys at Daymaniyat shells were. Again, I'm not being paid to say this. We ended up spending the rest of the day on these beautiful beaches. It's nice to walk around as well because you get to see so many different views of these gorgeous beaches. I'm not going to lie, I am a little tempted to see what it is like to camp here, but I'm not a big fan of camping and sleeping rough, so maybe you could give it a try and let me know how it went. We came for half a day and ended up spending pretty much the full day here. It's almost 4 o'clock and it is time to head back to Muscat. I just couldn't get enough of these beautiful islands. I think I need to come back in summer and see the whale sharks for myself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell button so you can see some more amazing travel adventures every week. Out of all the things I did in Oman, this was perhaps the most surprising for me, and it is going to remain a beautiful memory. I really hope you enjoyed spending this day with me in Daymaniat Islands. If you think this day trip was amazing, wait till you see Wadi Shab and Bima Sinkhole. Click on the link above and meet me there. This is Brown Boy Travels, and let me know what you think of the video. Do hit the like button and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for your own countries so I can visit, do let me know as well. You can also check me on Instagram and TikTok. I will see you in the next video. Bye.